Welcome to Sowmi's channel. In this video, we are going to see about contraction. Do you know what is meant by contraction? A contraction is a shortened form of a word that omits certain letters or sounds. For example, I am becomes am. Do not becomes don't. Now we will see how to make a contraction. To make a contraction by leaving out one or more letters and joining the word or words together. Use the mark in place of the omitted letter or letters. This mark is called the apostrophe. Using is, am or are. When we make a contraction using the verbs is, am or are, we remove the first letter of the verb and use an apostrophe in its place. For example, he is becomes his. I am becomes am. You are becomes your. These are the following examples of is, am or are. Using has, have or had. When we make a contraction using the verbs has, have or had, we remove the first two letters of the verb and use an apostrophe in its place. He has becomes his. I have becomes I. You had becomes you'd. These are the following examples of has, have or had. Using will. When we make a contraction using will, we remove the first two letters of will and use an apostrophe in its place. He will becomes he'll. Here there are some examples of will. Using not. When we make a contraction using not, we remove the letter O from not and use an apostrophe in its place. For example, is not becomes isn't. Here are some examples of not. Okay friends, keep watching Sowmi channel. Bye friends.